Good morning, children. In our last class, we were drawing Jumbo the elephant in Tinga Tinga art style. प्यारे बच्चों, हमारे पिछले क्लास में हमने जंबो हाथी को बनाया था टिंगा टिंगा चित्रकला के स्टाइल में, लेकिन आज हम बनाएंगे लोगों को. So today we will be making people. So we see this photograph very carefully. You see here how they have drawn it. The legs are very long and thin, है ना. पैर जो हैं बहुत पतले और लंबे हैं, और शरीर में एक ही कलर का ड्रेस पहनाया गया है, और उसमें अनेक प्रकार के आकार हैं. There are different kinds of patterns there, and the head portion we see that there are no much details added to it, right? Okay, but children, there is also a easier way of drawing people, and that we would like to learn today. See this looks very nice and also it's much easy. Okay, so we will learn to draw people. तो प्यारे बच्चों, लोगों को बनाना थोड़ा और आसान तरीके से हम इस चित्र के द्वारा सीखेंगे. ये भी बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है ना. Okay, so let's start. Children, we will be making this, and this is also Tinga Tinga style. Okay, and it's also very easy, but you observe the body, it's again a rectangle, and you see the legs and also the head is oval. So it's very easy, and so we will start making this. So children, we start. Before that, please see that when you start drawing, you arrange it in such a way that the whole page is filled with picture. Not that you just make one picture of a man or a lady, but you should see that the page is completely filled. Okay, प्यारे बच्चों, एक चीज़ ध्यान देना है कि जो आपका पेज है जो आप जिसमें बना रहे हैं वो पूरी रीति से भरा हो ना. ये नहीं कि आपने उस पेज में एक बना दिया और फिर बाकी सब छोड़ दिया. देखिए, ये देखिए कितना भरा लग रहा है ना. ये भरा है ना. वैसे ही आपका भी पेज दिखना चाहिए भरा पूरी तरीके से. तो पहले हम जो है फ्रेम बनाएंगे. देख रहे हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल मेक द फ्रेम. यू सी दिस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So we are starting here. So here we are not using scale. You should also try to use only pencil and not to use scale. Okay, in art and craft we should avoid using scale. तो यहाँ पर देखिए हम हाथ से बना रहे हैं और स्केल का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर रहे हैं. वैसे ही आप भी ये सीखना है कि स्केल का इस्तेमाल आप ना करें. So children, here we are drawing the frame. Okay, so now our frame is ready. Now children, see, somewhat in the middle they have drawn the rectangle, isn't it? So in the same way we will also draw rectangle in the middle of our sheet. So at the center we will be drawing the rectangle. So this is the first one, this is the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. तो पेज के बीच में हमने जो है रेक्टेंगल को बनाया है. Okay? After the rectangle, we will draw oval. Okay? So the oval has to be little bit inside the rectangle. You see this? Now children, let's add legs. Okay? We are also adding the feet here, which is not given in that picture. तो यहाँ पर हम पैर बना रहे हैं. So children, here we have completed the legs and feet. Okay? So children, now we have almost done the outline and we have to start coloring. But before that, we will learn some basics how to do coloring. प्यारे बच्चों, अब हमने चित्र का आउटलाइन बना लिया है और हम इसको रंगने जा रहे हैं. उससे पहले हम कैसे हमें रंगना है उसके बारे में कुछ सीखेंगे. एंड फॉर दैट वी आर यूजिंग द पेंसिल. Okay, we are also using the color pencil. We have seen that many of you have only color pencils at home. So we are also using color pencils. So now let's see कैसे हमें रंगना है. So children, here we made some boxes. This you don't have to do, just to explain you what is the right way of coloring. Okay? You have to only make the picture of the people and send it to us. This is just to explain you. आपको समझाने के लिए ये हम लोग कर रहे हैं. इसको आपको बनाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. Before starting to color, please ensure that your pencil is sharpened. है ना? कलरिंग शुरू करने से पहले आप देखिएगा कि आपका पेंसिल जो है ठीक से शार्पन किया हो. है ना? And then you start. We have observed that many of you color in this form. That is, you color in different directions. You are coloring in different direction. So, इस तरीके से कलर करना जो है वो सही रंग लाएगा नहीं. This is not the correct way. You should also not color like this. Here the pencil is straight and this is also not the right way. So children, when you color, first of all keep the pencil in a slanting position. Okay? And then keep your finger. You see, the finger is kept so that the pencil does not go out of the line. Okay? And the strokes are very short. प्यारे बच्चों, देख रहे हैं कैसे रंग रहा है. जो उंगली है उसको लाइन के करीब रखा गया ताकि लाइन से बाहर रंग ना जाए. Okay? And the pencil is in slanting position. Your direction should be the same, it should not change, and then you should go to the next portion. Like this, the color is equal in all the parts, and over it also you can color it once again. and see that all the place it's equal. Okay, children? Also, children, try to make it dark. You see this? Another thing, children, that is very important is where you keep your paper. Like if you sit on the bed and color, then that surface pattern will come on your paper, है ना? अगर बेड के ऊपर बैठ के आप रंगेंगे तो आपका रंग ठीक से नहीं आएगा. So you should use a proper place, एक अच्छे जगह पर जहाँ पर surface is plain. You should sit there and do the coloring. Okay, children? So children, we want to revise. The first thing that we learned is we should not change the direction. Okay? We should not change the direction. Another thing is your pencil should not be straight. It should be slightly slanting. And then the surface matters. Okay? You should have a proper place. So what you have to be careful about is, first of all, the pencil should be slanting. Second, you should make short strokes in the same direction. Okay, small strokes in the same direction. And you should have a proper surface. Okay, children? So children, now we start coloring. We are using here light color to color the rectangles, because later on we will be using dark color to make the designs. Okay? So now let's color the rectangles. So children, while you are coloring, spare that part, that oval part, that oval part you should not color. All the other side or other part you can color. प्यारे बच्चों, जब आप कलरिंग कर रहे हैं तो जो ओवल है उसको आप कलर मत करिएगा, उस जगह को आप छोड़ दीजिएगा. ठीक है? Children, you see now we have colored the rectangles. You see how nicely it is colored? And now we will spare the head and the leg and we will color the background. Okay? प्यारे बच्चों, हमने रेक्टेंगल को रंग दिया है. अब हम जो है ओवल को और जो पैर है उसको हम छोड़ करके उसका बैकग्राउंड को हम रंगेंगे. ठीक है? So children, now you see our background is also done, and now what we are going to do is we are going to color the head, leg and also the frames as we had learned it earlier, from back to front. Okay? Children, we have colored the frames, then the head portion and also the legs and feet, and now we will give design to the rectangle part. Okay? प्यारे बच्चों, हमने फ्रेम को और सर के पोर्शन और उनके पैरों को रंग दिया है. अब जो है हम एक एक डिज़ाइन जो है देंगे. We have made the design now. See how beautiful it looks when you color it properly. प्यारे बच्चों, हमने जो है डिज़ाइन डाल दिया है. Now let's look at the main picture. Now we can put the earrings. Okay? अब हम उनके कानों में जो बाली है उसको डालेंगे. We also see that some of them have stick in their hand, so we will also give them stick. प्यारे बच्चों, कुछ लोगों के हाथों में छड़ी है तो हम छड़ी को भी बनाएंगे। So children, now our picture is ready. You see, this is the original one and this is what we made. One more thing that is important is where you have to write your name. Okay? You should not write your name in the middle of the picture. Okay? Never. Always write it at the side. Okay? Here. Like this you can write your name. Okay? So now it's your turn. You can make a picture and send it to my WhatsApp number. तो प्यारे बच्चों, अब आप लोगों का मौका है, आप अपना चित्र बनाकर मेरे WhatsApp नंबर पर भेजें. ओके, बाय.